You guys nominated them, you guys voted for them. It's time to announce the winners of the first ever DIY and Digital Railroad Viewers' Choice Awards. I have 9 different categories to go through, including my pick for the N-Scale Locomotive of the Year. And we're going to get started, though, with the Viewer's Choice Award for the Model Railroad Hobby Shop of the Year. Here are the nominees.
The nominees for Model Railroad Hobby Shop of the Year: Midwest Model Railroad, Train World and Trainland, Lombard Hobbies, Factory Direct Hobbies.
And the winner is Midwest Model Railroad. Next up, we have the N-Scale Product of the Year, and this was an extremely close vote. 4 of the 5 were within 3 percentage points of voting, so let's go ahead and get to the nominees.
The nominees for N-Scale Product of the Year: Scale Trains Rivet Counter EMD Jeep 30, Rapido Trains RDC, Bluford Shops Dented Gondolas, The Impossible Coupler, Broadway Limited Imports ES44 Heritage Units.
And the winner for N-Scale Product of the Year goes to Broadway Limited and their N-Scale ES44 Heritage Units. It's now time for the HO Scale Product of the Year.
The nominees for HO Scale Product of the Year: Scale Trains Rivet Counter EMD SD38-2, Bachmann Acela 2, Scale Trains Rivet Counter GE AC44C6M, Mud Creek Models HO Scale Kits.
And the winner of HO Scale Product of the Year goes to Mud Creek Models HO Scale Kits. Here are the nominees for Product of the Year in any category.
The nominees for Product of the Year in any category: Soundtracks Blunami, Model Signs from ScaleSigns.com, Pico Turnouts.
And the winner is Soundtracks Blunami Bluetooth Decoders. Next up, it's N-Scale Manufacturer of the Year.
The nominees for N-Scale Manufacturer of the Year: Micro Trains Line, Kato, Broadway Limited Imports, Scale Trains.
And the N-Scale Manufacturer of the Year is Kato. Next up, it's HO Scale Manufacturer of the Year.
The nominees for HO Scale Manufacturer of the Year: Atlas Model Railroad Company, Broadway Limited Imports, Scale trains. Walthers.
And the winner is scale trains. Now it's time for Manufacturer of the Year in any category.
The nominees for Manufacturer of the Year in any category: AccuCraft, Mini Prints, Mud Creek Models.
The winner is Mud Creek Models. We have just 2 awards left, my pick for In-Scale Locomotive of the Year and the big one, the Viewer Model Railroad of the Year. So let's go ahead and get into my pick for the In-Scale Locomotive of the Year, which is Scale Train's EMD Jeep 30. And now it's time for the Viewer Model Railroad of the Year.
The nominees for Viewer Model Railroad of the Year: Rick Luck, Brett Elk, Matt Probst, Gary Gresham.
And the winner is Rick Luck. So just so you know, my entire process for this was that I opened up nominations to all of the viewers for all of the categories, and then I took it to my patrons to whittle it down to being a finalist. And I basically picked the top 3 to 5, depending on if there were any ties or anything like that in the nomination voting. And then I opened it up with a big ballot to everybody who's a viewer that could vote. If you guys like this system, I did see some suggestions on ways to run it better, and I am taking those to heart, and I've got some things I'm going to be working on to make this process a lot better for doing the Viewer Model Railroad Awards. And I'm also going to be doing other Viewers' Choice Awards next year, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I have some fun, quirky ideas for some different categories that we can vote on as well. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for participating. This was a lot of fun. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading.